Okay, so the next thing is the heel toe move, which is like this part. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So basically what you want to do is you want to say jump on your heel on your right and then toes on your left. Yeah, so opposite. And then from here, you turn from your left corner to your right corner. All right, just like whoop. And here you want to switch. So now you want to bring this right back on your toes and left goes on your heel. All right, so I just did jump. And then you just turn to the other side, whoop. All right, so when you do it, it's gonna be whoop, turn, whoop, turn. All right, the arms just go whoop, opposite, turn, keep it here. All right, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that, so you can click on that if you're interested. All right, so it's just whoop and whoop and then this next part comes. All right, now my favorite part. So right after we go ka, and just show you what comes next here. You go woo, hey, woo, hey, hey, hey. Now let me explain. So what you want to do is you want to say kick this one up. So I actually do a prep here. I go lift before I say jump. All right. So notice how I'm jumping a bit to my right side when I cross this right to my left, right? So I go and boom. Let's just try that. We're gonna go and boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom. Now you wanna do the opposite. So, well, actually, not yet. So from here, you wanna go down, up, all right? And then now you do the opposite. So you wanna say jump. Yeah, that's actually a small jump here. So jump here, and then cross, and then out, and then up. All right, so let me just rewind. I'm just gonna show you. So we're gonna go prep, jump, out, up, prep, jump, out, up. All right, try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump, out, up, prep, jump, out, up. Now, the arms are pretty easy. Basically, what you do is you do nothing on the first, do whatever, and then when you jump out, you want to say arms out, notice that they follow, and then you say clap, all right? And then here, do whatever you want, boom, and then again, out, up. So when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this, boom, and clap, and boom, and just try with me one time. We're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, out. Clap and boom, out, clap. Okay, so let's just add the last bit as well. So right after clap, basically what he does is just go out and then your arms as if you're swinging a bat here. It's to your right side and then you want to go up, gather, and then again you want to jump out, in, and at the same time you want to go up with your arms, down. All right, so it's right, center, up, center. And let's just go out, in, out, in. Pretty simple, right? So let me just show you with the previous part. So boom, clap, out, in, in. All right? Let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go slow. Wait, let me see. Yeah, we're gonna go from 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, out, in, jump, out. In, again, out, in, all right? Try it with me one last time. We're gonna go a tiny bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump, out, clap, and jump, out, clap, out, in. So, if you made it this far, kudos to you. Patience and hard work is really, the key to achieve anything in life, really. So, anyways, let's just continue. From here, what you want to do, let me just show you a quick preview here. You go whoom, whoom, ducky, ducky, A. All right, that's the next part. Just gonna keep short this time. All right, so let me explain. Right after blah, 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 which is a jump, 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 jump. Now the arms here, you're gonna go here. Yeah, your chest is doing body roll. I'm just gonna show it from the side. Boom, boom, yeah. If you don't know how to do the body roll, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do the body roll, all right? but you know, you can just do whatever. Freestyle with your body. All right, so 2 times, boom, boom. From here, you want to go doggy. You want to step on your left back here, right hand, left leg, boom. All right, and then opposite. So that's how it goes. Here and here. And right after, you want to bring your arms up and go whoa. There's some sounding music saying whoa. All right, let's just try that. So we're gonna go whoom, whoom, doggy, doggy, whoa. Again, practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go body roll, doggy, doggy, whoa. All right, guys, now to the very end, last part here. So right after here, you want to drop them down, and then you can also look down, and then here you want to say lift right arm up like that, and then you go up on your toes with your right. All right, notice how my heel is flicking out, knees are going inwards. Yeah, so I went whoom. Now I want to do the opposite. I want to say this one goes down, the opposite goes up, so the left one goes up. All right, so it's right, left. From here, you just want to bring both arms up like that. Yeah, my legs go down side foot. All right, from here, you want to do a ball chain. What that means is you want to take right, left, over. You want to do it to this side, all right? And then here. So from here, it's drop them down. It's right, switch, left, both arms up. And then here, you want to do ball chain. And at the same time, also sweep with your arms here. Whoop. And then you say gather. And let's just do the last move as well. It's basically just doing this. I can't remember what this move is called. Let me know if you know in the comments, all right? So here, boom, and then again, you can do a ball chain if you want. Basically just end the dance, all right? So let's just rewind from here. Down, right, left, both arms up, ball chain, step, boom, hey, hey. So just try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow, all right? From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, right, left, both arms up, ball chain, step, up, go. All right, let's just try one last time, a bit faster. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, right, left, up, ball chain, step, up, and I go. Congratulations, guys. You guys made it till the end. Now it's the exciting part where we, combine all the things and we're gonna do the full dance recap. I'm just gonna go through the steps again very quickly and then we're gonna practice. Let's go. All right, so recap from the tip to top. Let's see if I can remember. So your left is going, throw it up. Right is grabbing it, say pull, jerk. 1, 2, 3. And then you say put heels out, grab your gun and go 1, 2, 3. Before you say perk right leg, you go right, left, right, and then opposite, left, right, left. From here, bring it down and turn your body back and back. Bring your arms down, then jump up, boom. Before you say hip move, 1, 2, 3, 4, front cross, yay, right up, whoop. Here, step right down, turn around, right, left, goes step, step, turn to your front, chest go out, in, right, left, down. Before you say heel right, left, left foot right, left. At the same time, you go up and say shush. Freestyle part, do whatever you want, keep it here, bring it down. But right after that, you want to go jump up. Before you say heel toe, boom, turn, boom, turn. And then you want to say right leg goes prep, jump to the right, out, clap, opposite, jump, prep, left, out, clap, and then out again, right, swing, up, down. Now from here you want to go body roll, doggy. Here, and whoa. Now say down, right up, switch, both arms up, and then ball chain, sweep, gag, whatever this is, and go. All right, so I'm gonna try my best to show you the timing. So he sings 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 ka ka. boom, 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 ka, 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 boom, boom, ka, ka, ba ba da ba dum bum, ba ba da dum, ba da na 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 na, bam bam bam, ba bam ba bam, bam ba 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 ma na ma na ma na ma ka, ding 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 ding, ka ding 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 ka, ding ding ka, ba ba da ba na 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 na, oh boom, ka ka boom, hey, I'ma go go go. All right, guys, time to practice. We gotta go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 ka, ka, boom, 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 and ka, 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 and boom, boom, ka, ka, ba ba dum bam, ba ba dum. Bum ba ba dum ba dum na 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 boom 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 ba da da na ma na 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 ba na ma na I'm a cat. Boom 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 ba dum ba dum. Na 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 na. Oh, boom, 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 and boom, chin. I'ma go, go. All right, guys. I'm just gonna do it one last time, a bit faster, and you're always welcome to look at my TikTok and try to practice to that. All right. So one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Ka ka. Boom, boom, boom. Ba da da, ba da da. Boom, boom, ka, ka, ba na 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 ka, and bam bam bam, ba bam ba bam bam, ba da da na 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 ka, boom 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 boom, and boom 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 and boom boom na na ba da na 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 na, hey boom ba ba ba. Now I'm gonna go. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Pajama Party remix TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.